Hey guys, welcome to ANE-FreeInIty. So today let's talk about RF transmitter and receiver. So here is the module that I have made. This is the transmitter part. This is a radio frequency module. This is RF transmitter, and here it is. It's the RF receiver part. So I have already made this circuit. So you'll find a link in the description that you can take a look on the circuit diagrams on the schematics that I've used for this module. So here basically what I've done is this is for you can select 433 megahertz. You can select this is you can see here 433 megahertz. This is the transmitter, RF transmitter, radio frequency, and here this is the receiver part. This red circuit you can see it's the receiver part. It's also work on 433 megahertz. On the transmitter part, this is a chipset. This is a encoder. It's HT12E. It's a encoder chipset of 18 pin. You can see the chipset here. This is like you can see HT12E, E for encoder, and it actually encodes the data that we usually transmit. And here we also use another 18 pin chipset IC. You can see it's the HT12D. It's a decoder IC. You can see like this is the decoder IC, as you can see. So this system works on four system, like it has four pins, like four channels. One is for like this is reversible, and this is for reversible process. So actually there is two channels, which is one channel is exactly opposite of each other like this, and this is a motor driver. Simply you can just use a motor. You can control a motor with this module using this driver. So here is one channel and there is another channel, and you can see there's the antennas. These antennas are quite big. I have made this like this because of you can see like 433 millihertz. It's not quite like a radio transmitter that you use on something like drone or something like this. So that's why we need some bigger antennas like this in order to catch datas. So let's check it out. And here's the batteries. We need two 9-volt batteries. I'm using high watt HW batteries. You can see like this is you can see like 9-volt batteries. These are, you cannot recharge these again. This is the use and throw batteries, and this is a little bit of LED light. You can see LED light. It is our like receiver part, and this is a simple screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do is just attach this on the motor driver. So let's do this quickly. I've done this. Now what to do? This is the battery channel. You can see actually these two portions are like battery channels. This is the positive and this is the negative portion. You can say cathode and anode. This is the cathode and this is the anode. So like this, you can see the circuit is already powered off. That a red LED light is glowing here. This is the receiver part, and here is the transmitter part. So let's also just give input to the transmitter part. This is the cathode and this is anode. Yeah. So as you can see, here you can see, I hope the indicator is glowing here on the transmitter portion, and you can see also the receiver portion there is a green indicator is glowing. So that means this device is paired up. So now if I just do this is channel 1. So my LED is glowing right now. So this is working perfectly. This is working on 433 megahertz radio frequency module. So this is the secondary part. So this is the LED. So it can't work on reversely. If you use any kind of motors, then it will start rotating reversely. And these two are for the another channel, for these two channels. So right now I'm using one LED, that's why one switch is only we are capable of use. So this is our transmitter part and this is our receiver part. So here is the RF transmitter and receiver module. So if you want to make this of your own, then just open the description box and there you will find a link for the schematics of this kind of circuits, RF receiver and transmitter. So guys, thanks for watching. This is for today. I'll see you in my next video.